Martego sekta mar arita pachoka kolose National Youth Service mar Waraka kawuono. Jagoro mongirore Migao mar arita Ramogi Molo owacho ni gitimo matek mar bero ngima apisa duto mag arita pachoka. Dr. Molo poyo ka tiegruok mar NYS kuom bero ngima rowere ma pachoka ka tiegruok magiyudo miyo gibedo jo Kenya mabeyo morito chik. Omedo jiwo jonyuol mondo kaw okang' mar neno ni nyithigi odongo moriere ka rowere bende mondo omi jodongo luor.
Today in this country, there's been a lot of conversation that we have reached a situation where children can now stand up to parents, can now stand up to elders, and even tell us not to go to church, and even tell us not to contribute to church. And for some reason, some of us cheer them on. The fact that we are an open society, the fact that we can say whatever we want to say and get away with it, we cannot allow our children, as their ill keepers, to just do things and get away with it when we well know that that is not the way of the Lord. For those who are interested in education or interested in leadership or interested in politics, there is a space for play politics. But that space is not in our classrooms, it is not in our schools, it is not in our churches.
Moko kuom oganda dhot Sabaot modak Mount Elgon koro dwaro ni sirkal oyienegi gipudh yien ng'owo mantiere skul primar Mato Rosso. Jodak go koro